We begin with this high-quality steel billet. It's then forged and machined into the advanced M795 artillery projectile.
Hundreds of billets await their transformation into finished shells. Copper coils and explosive compound arrive to complete the raw materials. The cold billet enters the furnace, awakening the steel at 1,200 degrees. 2,500 tons strike the glowing billet, forging the first rough shape. Deep hole boring carves the internal cavity for 10 pounds of explosive. The copper rotating band is locked permanently into its machined groove. Normalizing heat treatment relieves stress from forging and machining. Molten composition B fills the hollow core of the waiting shell. Precision threads are cut into the nose to accept the fuse assembly. Steel shot blasting strips every surface clean for paint adhesion. Electrostatic nozzles coat each shell in olive drab matte green. The canary yellow band completes the visual identity of the round. 47-dimensional checkpoints confirm the shell meets every specification. The fuse plug seals the nose and the shell enters its transit crate. Thousands of finished rounds fill this warehouse, ready for deployment. From raw billet to finished round, the complete transformation in moments. We end where we began, with the olive drab surface now fully understood.